Discover the art of sun-dried tomatoes, from sunlight to storage and rehydration. Did you know that sun-dried tomatoes have been enjoyed for over 1,000 years, dating back to ancient civilizations? Not only do they pack intense flavor, but they also retain a high concentration of antioxidants and nutrients, all thanks to the natural drying process in the sun. Stay tuned to learn how to make, store, and revive these powerful, delicious fruits. Sun-dried tomatoes are a beloved ingredient in kitchens around the world, known for their rich, intense flavor. They're used in everything from salads to pasta dishes. Today, I'll reveal the secrets of drying them naturally in the sun, storing them for long-term use, and even rehydrating them to bring back that fresh tomato feel. Let's dive in. Many people think that sun-dried tomatoes are only meant to be used as just a snack or topping, but in reality, they have a complex, concentrated flavor that can elevate a variety of dishes. A common mistake is underestimating the simplicity of the drying process. Some believe it requires expensive equipment or preservatives, but in truth, the sun can do the job naturally. Others assume drying takes days or that the tomatoes lose all their nutritional value, when actually, drying preserves most of their nutrients and health benefits. Misunderstanding these aspects means missing out on a versatile ingredient with rich flavor and health advantages. In the next part, I'll show you how easy and rewarding it is to dry your own tomatoes at home. There are several ways to make sun-dried tomatoes. The simplest method is to select the right tomatoes. Plum or Roma tomatoes are ideal due to their dense flesh and low moisture content. To prepare, wash and slice them uniformly, then lay them out on clean, breathable sheets or racks in direct sunlight. Cover with a fine mesh or cheesecloth to keep insects away. The drying process usually takes 3 to 7 days, depending on the climate, with plenty of sun and warmth. Once dried to a leathery texture, store the tomatoes in airtight containers, preferably in a cool, dark place or vacuum-sealed for long-term storage. For maximum flavor, keep moisture out and use oxygen absorbers if storing for months or years. Proper storage ensures your sun-dried tomatoes stay flavorful and vibrant until your next culinary adventure. Now for the secret to truly elevating your sun-dried tomatoes. Try marinating them in warm olive oil, garlic, herbs, or even a splash of balsamic vinegar. This process reintroduces moisture and infuses them with extra flavor, transforming their intensity into a rich, savory addition to salads, pasta, or even simple bruschetta. Pair sun-dried tomatoes with ingredients like fresh basil, salty cheeses, or roasted nuts to create a perfect balance of flavors. This simple step turns dried tomatoes from a preserved ingredient into a versatile, gourmet flavor booster for any dish. Trust me, once you try this, you'll never see sun-dried tomatoes the same way again. Sun-dried tomatoes are a natural, versatile ingredient that can be easily made at home, stored for long-term use, and revitalized with simple techniques. Their intense flavor adds depth to countless dishes, truly a kitchen staple for any food lover. If you loved this video, share your favorite sun-dried tomato recipes in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe. We've got more delicious tips coming soon, including how to make homemade tomato sauces and other creative ways to use sun-dried tomatoes. See you in the next one. Thank you for watching. We would love to hear your thoughts on medicinal herbs in the comments below. If you're interested in learning more about medicinal plants and their applications, be sure to check out my other videos.